So the ability to be able to point out to a rep which questions to ask and verify with the customer is powerful because it's a great conversation starter. The next one is the first draft proposal. Vertical tailored outreach. The vertical tailored outreach is basically a first touch the operator actually uses, and you use it as a trigger to put a potential customer on your list. So the idea is to get signal, right? And so what are the typical KPIs that would allow a customer or a potential customer to get on your radar screen and be able to fact checks with AI to determine if those KPI are actually valid and they signal a potential customer interest in your company and your products or your services. Again, the KPI refinement is really key here because, of course, you don't want to spend reps' time chasing accounts that are very unlikely to buy from you because they're not interested in your offering or your services to start with.